On this short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to the Snapchat right here and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on force stop here and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back and now all what you want to do is click on data usage. Make sure to enable all those options. And now what you want to do next is make sure that you update your Snapchat in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. It's very easy to update, as you know, and after that restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.